If you are looking for an activity which can boost critical thinking, problem solving skills and a variety of competencies, then this one is going to be the best one for you. With some discussions after the activity, lots of behavioral learning and reflections can be drawn from this. So there are 14 puzzle pieces placed on the Jamboard, and with different combination of the pieces, multiple shapes and patterns can be formed.
There are certain pieces given. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so just try rotating it. Don't resize this. Let the size be fixed. Just try to rotate it. Select the pointer. Okay? Yeah, comfortable doing it? Both of
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes,
Okay. Yes, now what has to be done? This is what the final pieces are. These are in total 14 pieces, 8 pieces of blue and 6 pieces of green. Fair enough? All the puzzles will have 8 plus 6 pieces for the solution. Okay? What you need to be doing, let's move to slide number 6.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that in slide number 6 there are more number of pieces given. Why? Because these are the flip pieces. So these are the two. If you see the one which I have selected, this one. Okay. If you flip this, it becomes this. Yeah. Okay. And to solve any of the problem, you need to have any two from this combination. Either the face, the front size, or the flip side. Got the problem? Got the way it has to be solved? Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ये वाला जो ऊपर का दो है, it will be as it is. This will be as it is. But for these pieces, all the three combinations which are below, you can have another element as a flipped one. So from the combination of 4, you can pick any two. From combination of these 4, you can pick any two. From a combination of these 4, you can pick any two. Got the rule?
Sir, so we can't rotate it.
Yeah, you can rotate. You can rotate and use it, but you cannot flip it on Jamboard. Okay?
Yes, yes.
This is how the image would look like if this is flipped. Okay.
I have tried more than 50 such patterns, and when I leave it to the audience, they come up with their own unique design. I have tweaked this activity to suit my audience in different ways. For example, at the beginner level, I asked them to arrange the puzzle pieces as per the given pattern. All the resources required are there on the slide. For the intermediate level, I keep the puzzle pieces in other slides and ask them to choose the required pieces as some piece fit when you flip it. Hence, you need to choose the resources accordingly. And for the expert level, I ask them to form a perfect square using the pieces. You may play it in groups and even add a time limit to it. Let's watch the sample video.
Great. Let's start with this. Be careful not to take the pieces outside of the board, and there's no need to resize. So just use the pointer and rotate. Okay.
Sir, one piece is missing.
Nothing. There are all 6 pieces are given here.
Yes,
So all
sir.
the pieces required to solve this puzzle is here. Learning insights from this.
Sir, we need patience to make it.
Okay. What else?
Sir,
So
also,
you have to focus, and we have to understand the patterns.
Yeah. So a little bit of visualization is required.
yes.
What will go where and how. Okay. So let's just try one more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I think let's move to slide number 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what's the takeaway? What's the learning?
So first of all, तो I would like to mention कि इतना ज़्यादा hectic day हम लोग का जा रहा है, and then उसके बाद ये puzzle was fun.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good.
Yes, sir. This was literally fun. I guess those who haven't joined have missed this.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. I really appreciate these kind of feedback. That at least this is what work-life balance is all about. Huh? This is what life
Yes,
is.
sir.
A lot of hectic day, and at the end of the time you get to at least use your brain and capacity.
Yes, sir.
Then that's amazing. So what's your takeaway from this?
So it was mind-blowing.
It was very interesting.
Okay, what have you learned from this?
Observation.
Okay, observation. And can you realize one fact, both of you, that the moment we freeze some area, na, which यहाँ पर freeze कर दिया and freeze कर दिया, we don't try to go back and change it. Yeah, it's very
Yes,
difficult.
yes,
Huh? The
sir.
moment the solution is this and this, we feel like, oh no, this is done. We just keep on pushing it. We
Yes,
just
sir.
don't feel like going back and checking what we have done. And this is what life is all about. Na? We don't go back and check on our errors. What might we have done? हो सकता है ना कि उस समय that was not a mistake, but in the future it might turn out to be a mistake. And that's what decision making is all about. Na? Some things which are done today, it might not be an error, but for the future course of action, future events, it might turn out to be an error. Yeah, and you get attached. Now that's what ego. Can you correlate now what ego is all about? These kind
Yes.
of activities, and it's very easy to understand ego. Now, basic. Here, I have done something. At that point of time, it seemed a right way of working, the right solution to this set of problem. But in the future, it again appeared to be a mistake. But it requires a lot of courage to challenge your own solution. It might happen that I have done some mistake. This particular combination is not the right one. Let me try out something else. Let me go back to my past, correct myself, so that my future bigger problem is solved. And that's what the whole life is all about. This was your bigger problem, not this pieces, not this pieces, not this pieces. Yeah? And there is no point of living in silo. And the way you say, na, कि दिन भर काम करने का लगता है क्या?
Yes, sir. उसके
That's
बाद
what the yes, and that's what the whole idea, Bharti. Because
Yes.
if you all are able to visualize that, we need to keep the balance up. So ये सारा छोटा-छोटा pieces में life move करने का सामान. चलो good job. So wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Yes, would you like to try 7 now?
Yes, sir.
So now for this, you need to move to slides number 6. Copy paste element there. So select Control C, move to another slide.
Okay, sir. Control
Paste
plus.
it. Okay, I've just Control C, Control V. Okay, I've pasted 2 blocks there.
Yes.
Okay, so how was the activity? How was the game?
Sir, we are
Overall.
now able to do the hard ones also in less time period comparatively. I guess.
Yes, but isn't this fun?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good then. So there are almost 60 pieces of these kind of puzzle. So we do have, and we can also create additional hundreds out of this. It's a very good combination which can be created, and multiple puzzles can be created. So wonderful, guys. So this is good. So let me just summarize 2 or 3 learnings, okay? And I would also love your perspective on this. One biggest learning from this we got to understand ego a little bit. Yeah, when we
Yes.
try to solve a problem, we just the moment we get a little bit of achievement, we get freeze to that one particular area. Yeah, and
Yes,
it's
sir.
always nice idea to look back in your life and try to see if you can just do some minor changes there for the bigger purpose. And what's the bigger purpose? Your career, your happiness, your satisfaction in the long run. Yeah. So because small matters doesn't make you, it just make you capable for the bigger wars, but it will never ensure that you can win the war unless until you go back and learn from those small pieces. Okay, that's the whole idea we have learned from this, and it requires a patience. Yes, it requires patience.
Yes, sir.
नहीं होगा उसमें. And just imagine you two are working on this. What if there are 6 people or 10 people working on the same puzzle? It requires patience. Yes, good. And the challenge also increases when the complexity has gone up. That you can flip the pieces and you can just rotate and mix match something else. So look good. Meanwhile,
Yes.
whatever we are doing, even if we are learning critical skills, creative skills, you can also learn communication skills. Yeah.
Yes.
can- When you are solving physics, it's not just like you're solving physics. You are learning maths also. You're learning English also. Yeah, because everything is correlated. So it's a very basic aspect of life, how to increase your observation. Yeah. So whatever you are doing, just try to be holistic in your nature, mindfulness in your behavior. Yeah. That's a very powerful keyword, mindfulness. Yeah, जो भी कर रहे हैं, let's be aware of our environment. what things are there, what resources are there, because you end up getting into a problem if you're not aware of your surrounding. Yeah, क्योंकि भाई जो भी problem मेरे life का है वो मेरे आसपास ही है. All the solutions are available near me only. Yes, and we just keep going and banging others' doors. It's not gonna help.
Yes.
All the solutions are within me, inside me. I have the capability to solve anything, and that's what the behavior we need. We need to look within to get all those capabilities, all those ideas, and all those determination to solve the problem. And that's what the whole idea of the first quiz. Yes. So over to you guys, and I'm really glad for the help of Madhvi. I want to put it on record. Yes, Madhvi, because I'm really thankful to Madhvi for helping me out to design those pieces to put it on the Jamboard. So thank you so much.
So
for
it was my
Madhvi.
pleasure to work for
Yes.
you.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Madhvi, you made me realize one of the beautiful points, na? And that's like same pieces can be used multiple ways. Yeah.
Yes.
We just don't need. It's like being water. Yeah. Whatever be the container, I would take the shape, and that's what life is all about. The moment you get into like I'm an engineer, I would think like engineer. I'm an illustrator, I would think like illustrator. I'm like a AD guy or a fashionist. Yeah, I'm a mechanical. I'm civil. The moment you assign a role to yourself, you're limiting your potential. Yeah, that's what life is all about. Life is
So the
beyond
pieces were-
boundaries. Yes,
So it was
and-
versatile for us.
exactly, and that's what you are. That's what we all are. We all are versatile. Yeah, we can use our capabilities in n number of ways. And the only thing is, the moment we are asked to do something, we would say, no, I'm not a banking guy. No, I'm not a science guy. We limit ourselves. So let's not limit ourselves. Let's be very open. Let's be adaptive, become more adaptable, and try to tweak ourselves. We are pieces. Now we are pieces. So let's just see if we can just tweak our brain. We can tweak on something to become something new every time, every day. The moment we wake up, we'll just rearrange our nervous system. Now just tweak here and there, and we'll become something new, something more better, something more useful to someone else. And that's what life is all about. Okay,
Yes.
good then. So that's wonderful. देखो, तुम लोग से बात करते करते I'm also learning a lot, and that's what it takes to be connected.
It's an amazing activity to boost critical thinking and problem solving skills. I have always had a marvelous discussion with my audience after this activity. Our life is like this game only. Let's not solve one part of the puzzle and get stuck to see the bigger picture. Let's keep the vision always in mind and learn to adjust and adapt accordingly. We are capable of doing a lot more than we think. Always remember, you are born with everything you need to become anything. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Connect with me if you need this puzzle. Do check out the YouTube channel for more of such icebreakers and energizer videos. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Wishing you all the best. Let's enable the work environment to be more capable and compassionate. Thank you.